Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling and disabling Siri from announcing notifications on the Apple Watch Ultra 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Press the digital crown to open the app menu. Tap the Settings cog to open Settings. In Settings, tap Notifications. Scroll down the notification settings and tap Announce Notifications. Tap the toggle to the right of Announce Notifications to enable or disable the setting. When the toggle is green, the setting is enabled, and when grey, it is disabled. If you scroll down, you can now use the toggles to the right of apps to choose which app notifications Siri will notify you of. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch Ultra tips and tricks.